phase control or relay monitor phase protects the electric consumer against unwanted changes in voltage. Control phases may have two different and adjustable functions. These functions are similar to timer functions and are known as delay on and delay off. In the delay on mode, which is often shown with the opposite sign, when the voltage goes out of the allowed range, the relay output contacts change their status after the set period of time. But when the appropriate conditions for the voltage are re-established, the relay output change is instantaneous, and the delay time is not taken into account. In fact, in this case, the relay disconnection is delayed, but its connection is instantaneous. In this situation, the relay cannot detect the transient changes in voltage. And if the appropriate state for the voltages is established again during the delay, the relay will not work. In delay-off mode, the relay is disconnected momentarily, but it is connected with a delay. In this situation, as soon as the voltage is in its illegal range, the relay operates, and until the set time passes, the output contacts of the relay remain unchanged. In fact, all transient voltage changes that are out of the allowed range are detected by the relay. Phase control usually has three inputs to which different phases of the network are connected. Their output is usually one or more changeover contacts, which are identified by numbers. Contacts whose two ends are marked with numbers 5 and 8 are usually open normally, and contacts whose two ends are marked with numbers 5 and 6 are usually close normally. The following symbols are usually used on these relays for protection against voltage increase and protection against voltage decrease. These changes can be disconnection of a phase, displacement of the sequence of phases, excessive reduction or increase of voltage, or imbalance of voltages. There are usually three settings on phase control, one of which is related to the minimum allowable size for voltage changes, the other is the maximum allowable for changes, and the third setting is related to the relay cutoff time. In some cases, an adjustment may be considered for the allowed percentage of voltage imbalance.